We are here in Kupa. Hihintay kami ng aming order. Follow for more, guys. Palilay is here. Ano in-order mo, Palilay?
Kupa. Lamig ay gutom.
Ano yung Kupa?
Kupa. Is chicken broasted.
Ah, chicken roasted. Chicken roasted, guys. Where's your receipt? What is your number?
88.
Okay.
Next time.
We are in 73. So 88 is too long. Maybe we got more 20 minutes to stay. So otherwise we just make a video for this. We are here, guys. We are here. Hey, guys. See? Dive. Ayun. Para po mga guys. We are here in die together.